Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 1, capital B over s plus 1, capital C over s minus number 2. Next, we do common denominator. So, about this one, it is missing about s plus 1 and s minus number 2. So, capital A will multiply by s plus 1, s minus number 2. About this one, it is missing about s minus 1 and s minus number 2. So capital B multiplied by s minus 1, s minus number 2. About the next one, that should be about s minus 1, s plus 1. So we need to expand this one, and this one. So this one we have s squared minus s minus number 2. This one we have s squared minus 3s plus 2. And the last one, that is about s squared minus 1. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a, b, and c. Because we have a multiplied by s squared, b with s squared, c with s squared, that's why we have this one. About s, we have negative with a, so negative a, negative number 3 with b. This one we don't have s. And the last one, that is about the numbers, we have negative number 2 with a, positive number 2 with b, and negative number 1 with c. Next, we need to compare coefficients. About s squared, we have a plus b plus c equals to number 2. About this one equals to number 1 because coefficient of s, that is about number 1. And the last one equals to number 1 in here. And now we create the system of equations. So this one equals to number 2. This one equals to number 1. And the last one equals to number 1. So we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to negative number 2. B equals to 1 over 3. C equals to 11 over 3. So I will put A, B, C go in here. So A equals to negative number 2. B equals to 1 over 3. C equals to 11 over 3. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And the last one, and here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.